Securities fraudster has to pay even if a victim is not identified. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. The defendant engaged in numerous fraudulent schemes involving at least 20 penny stock companies. On discovering the schemes, the Securities and Exchange Commission, that's the SEC, brought a civil enforcement action against the defendant, charging him with 6 counts of securities fraud and 1 count of selling unregistered securities. He consented to the entry of judgment against him and agreed that the court could order him to give up all the identified gains. When the SEC calculated those gains at over $4.1 million, he then objected. He argued that because the SEC lacked evidence that his scheme caused individual investors to suffer any financial losses, he did not owe the money. The federal appeals court then rejected his appeal. So the defendant turned to the Supreme Court. He did not fare well there. A unanimous high court held that the SEC is not required to show that investors suffered a monetary loss in order to obtain a court order directing violators of securities laws to give up their gains to the wronged investors. The decision went on to explain that the securities laws provides remedies designed to deprive the wrongdoers of their gains, even if it cannot be specifically attributed to a loss by identified investors. This underscores the deterrent intent of the law to prevent persons from acting against the interests of the public in the stock market. Heard about an interesting case? Let us know. We might cover it on a future episode. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101 on the Brushwood Media Network and YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. I want to mention a special promotion that we're running on our YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. We have passed 1,000 subscribers, and we're now on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And if you're interested, in the comments, tell us if you want Bad Deal for America or you want Decline of America. We will be having a drawing after we pass the number 3,000 in people who have posted that they want to be in the drawing and indicate which book they're interested in, and we'll be sending them that particular book. And we appreciate your listening, and we appreciate your participating at our YouTube channel at Dr. Dave Saves America.